Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to my playlist. So guys, this is our last video for this playlist. It's a very short playlist, I know. So this is what we have to discuss in Numpy. So we have I think we have covered mostly everything. The last topic that is left is a random function. So let's start with it and complete this playlist. So what we are doing is np.random.rand. Rand means random. So we are using this function random.rand, okay, and we are creating 3 cross 4 matrix, okay. As the name suggests, it will create my random number and nothing else. So let me execute my numpy package first. Let me import my numpy package. Now let me execute this. So every time you will be able to find that even after I'm executing this again and again, it is giving me different data. See, it is giving me different data. So if you execute this random.rand, it is giving me different data. It is giving me random data. So it is not fixed. Okay. So it is giving me 3 cross 4 random data. So this is what this random function does. Now coming to next function, we have random.rand n. Okay, n means normal distribution. So I guess many of you won't be able to knowing, but this is a kind of topic for our statistics playlist where I'll be discussing about uniform distribution and standard normal distribution. So these are like for now you can just I don't think so it's a right time to discuss about this, but for now just remember these two functions, standard and normal. I mean standard normal distribution where my mean and it is something related to my mean and my standard deviation, and that is what makes differences between these two distribution. Okay, I'll talk about this in my statistics playlist, but just keep in mind like there are two functions for my random, like random.rand and random.randn. Okay, so both are creating my random numbers. There is no difference in that. It is both creating 3 cross 4 random numbers, but there is some difference. So we'll be talking this about in our statistics class. Okay, so moving on, we have one more function called as random.rand int. Int means integer. Okay, so it will return me integer. How? So it is taking three arguments. Okay, it is taking starting point from 1 and ending till 50. So between 1 to 50 you need to take 20 elements, 20 random integer elements. This is what it means. Rand int 1 comma 50 comma 20 means start my integer from 1, go till 50. This is what the range is. Take number between 1 to 50. How many number? 20. How? Random integer number. Okay, take 20 random integer number, then reshape into 2 comma 10, or we can do 10 comma 2 as well, or we can do 5 comma 4, or we can do 4 comma 5. Any multiple will work. Okay, so for this example I have took this reshaping option of 2 cross 10. So it is creating 2 rows and 10 columns, and it is taking numbers between 1 to 50, and it is giving me 20 output, 20 data sets. Okay, this is what this function does. So the similar way we can do it in one more way, that is instead of using dot reshape you can pass argument inside my rand int function itself. Just pass the start and end. Instead of giving 20, we don't need to give this 20 data, just give 2 cross 10. So it will automatically understand, yes, I need to take 20 elements, and it will give me 2 cross 10 matrix. Okay, so moving on. Okay, I have take np.random.rand 1 comma 10. So let's see what this will do. I think we have discussed this. np.random.rand. So it will create me. So in this example, what it is trying to do, it is creating 1 comma 10 random numbers. Okay, means it is creating 10 total 10 number of random numbers. This is what it means. See, there are 10 numbers. So now what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to sort this thing. Okay, one second guys. Okay, I'm trying to pass this sort function which is present inside my numpy package, which is nothing but sorting. So you will be able to find that it is sorting all these uh, data set into ascending by default. If nothing is mentioned, it will sorting this into ascending manner. So this is how we can sort our data set. So it is creating me one row. So this is not pretty clear. You are most probably thinking it is two rows, but it is a single row with 10 columns or 10 data sets. So it is sorting each and everything into ascending order by using this np.sort function. Okay, so how this sorting works in our matrix, let's check. So I've created one matrix. This is my matrix, and I am trying to pass this inside my np.sort. So it is, you'll be able to find in the output like it is sorting each and every row ascending order, right? See, 4 5 9 3 5 6. So it is sorting my every row or every index wise sorting, you can say. And last, I think it's very easy, a dot max. It will give me the maximum value, or we can use a dot mean. It will give, not mean, it is min, minimum. So it will give me the minimum value present inside my matrix. So I guess this is it, guys, for this numpy playlist. Let me just execute this min. Let's check. Okay, a is not defined. Where is my a? Okay, this is my a. Np. Okay, np is not defined, man. Once again, let me import my numpy. Then let us go to that example to check how this is working. So a equal to np dot array. This is my a data set. Now I'm executing np dot sort. It is sorting, and now I'm executing my array dot mean. So it is giving me the minimum value of all matrix, I mean of all of the data inside my matrix. So this is it, guys. I think this is what I need to teach about numpy. Basically, out of all this, only reshape, line space, I think so, somewhere you'll be able to use line space, reshape, and random. These three are the most important ones which you will be using it in your future videos or in your future data science career. So thank you so much, guys, for watching the video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Stay healthy, stay fit. Bye bye.